Totally, how many are there by now? I mean, who have registered?
It's somewhere 170 plus. Still, we
Oh.
are in the process of making. Yes.
That's
it's a marathon task.
That's a real large number this time.
We've opened the floor for many because last time it was really appreciated, and many students, they messaged us to please increase the number of students in class. Yes. So this time we took decision, let's increase the strength of the classroom. So the doors are open.
Correct. In fact, my these three students, I think last time they tried, and last minute we were not able to get them in.
Oh.
Last time was very good. All this, I think most of the, how many were there totally? I think I have not missed out any one of those. I've heard almost all presentations. Very.
Okay.
Because there was also an IT one, which was also interesting.
Who?
IT on information technology by Kavita.
Hey, that was ODR. Yeah, online. Okay.
ODR one.
Yes.
Yes, it's a horrendous job getting in all the students, registering them from various states, so many different universities, colleges,
yes,
all that.
You all can switch on your camera. In the meantime, at least we can interact. Dear students, please put your cameras on. Good. Kudra is first to switch on the camera. Great.
Happy to see all of you.
Yes. So good. So
good evening, sir. Good evening, madam.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Our peace builders of tomorrow.
Yes.
It's a beautiful feeling to see you all. Smiling faces. Kittu, aapke baal theek hai. Your hair is fine. You're looking nice in camera.
Thank you.
So anybody can unmute and just share as to from where did you get to know about this classroom series of our team EMW? Anyone?
Yeah, ma'am.
Huh?
Some of my friends already joined in first program, ma'am. First
Okay.
mediation.
Yes, yes.
Which state are you from, Archana?
Yeah, ma'am. We are from AP, ma'am. It's Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We had Mr. I think Ravi Chandra from there, very enthusiastic person.
Yeah,
Always
ma'am. From our college, ma'am.
Yes. Very good. Lovely.
Ma'am, this is Arvind, ma'am.
Yes, Arvind.
We both are same, ma'am. Archana, Ravichandra, me,
Acha. Okay. Great.
and Guru also is there, ma'am.
Oh, he is another very, very dedicated student. There were few names, who were very active on group all the time.
Hello, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, myself Yuvraj, and
Yes,
I
you
am,
are right.
ma'am, I am from Chhattisgarh,
Okay.
and I am currently pursuing my 5-year course, law course, from Guru Ghasidas Central University.
Where is it? Chhattisgarh only?
Yes, ma'am, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh.
Okay. So which
Ma'am,
year are you from?
Ma'am, I am from 4th year. I am currently in, yes, ma'am, 8th semester. Ma'am, I came to know about this when our online classes were going on. Our subject teachers asked the students give their names for this program. So I am very active and I want to learn something new. So I gave my name, and I find this very interesting.
Good evening, sir and ma'am.
Good evening.
I am Ashmita Mitra.
Okay.
I am from Kolkata, West Bengal, and I study in Surendranath Law College.
Thank you.
Good evening, sir, and good evening, ma'am. I'm Poulomi Chakraborty, and I'm from Tripura, and currently I am pursuing my BBA LLB from ICFA University, Tripura, and recently I have completed my 3rd year.
Oh, very good, very good.
Thank you, sir.
It would be better if you can note your name of the state next to your name so that we can easily identify from where you are from.
Hi, sir and ma'am. My name is Sarita. Currently, I'm doing my 2nd year LLB, and I'm from AMS Law College. I attended the last session of this course in the previous session. So that's why I've joined this course.
Yes.
I'm from state Telangana.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am. I'm Esther. I study in the same college as Sarita. So we both are classmates. And our college secretary happens to be part of the EMW group.
I see. Oh, very nice.
So that's how we get to know all the information. And because they shared the information, so we all joined.
Pushma, your voice is not coming out. There is no. Your audio is not
It's
coming
fine.
out. Hi, now it's
Fine. Okay. So Manjira is a very dear friend and a very senior member of EMW team, always ready to motivate every initiative. I think Vidya Rani wants to speak. Your voice is not reaching out to us. No, not yet.
No,
Good evening,
Vidya,
ma'am. Good evening, sir.
Yes.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Myself, Sompak Das. I am from Assam. Recently, I have completed 3 years LLB with first class from BRM Government Law College in Assam, Guwahati.
Just repeat your name, please.
Sompok Das, ma'am.
Okay.
Can you write down your, because we can see only your number. Could you please enter your name?
Your name also,
Sorry, sir.
preferably, with your state, preferably. Yes.
I'm
State
from
I
Assam.
have-
ma'am. Assam.
Assam. Assam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am. This is Disha De from Kolkata. And I and Ashmita are from same college. We are classmates.
Oh,
Thank
lovely.
you.
So you have a cute teddy bear there behind you. Disha, there's a cute teddy bear lying behind you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Lovely. Anyone else want to volunteer and come forward?
Good evening, everyone.
Yes, Riya. Good evening.
Yeah.
My name is Riya and I belong to Chhattisgarh, but I'm a second year student at Manipal University, Jaipur. I just completed my first year and I'm pursuing BBLLB.
Lovely. Great.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good
Prakya.
evening. Yes, ma'am. Good
Prakya
evening,
is from
ma'am.
VIPS.
Yes, ma'am.
I received your message. Yeah, Prakya. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. My name is Prakya and I'm from New Delhi and I'm a student of VIPS, New Delhi. Thank you.
Okay. Which year are you from? Third year, I think you wrote in your form.
Yes, ma'am. I'm from third year.
Okay. We have, I think, one Avantika also is there. I received a message. Avantika, are you there with us?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Avantika.
Good evening.
How
Good
are
evening. Good evening.
Fine, thank you.
So introduce yourself also, Avantika.
I am Avantika Shankar. I'm from New Delhi. I'm currently a first year student and I'm studying in North Cap University, Gurgaon.
Yes, thank you.
We have Ridhiman also, Ridhiman Barua.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, sir.
evening.
I'm so sorry.
Good
My
evening.
camera at the moment is not, for some reason, it's not coming on.
Okay.
I belong from Assam, but I'm currently studying in Symbiosis Law School, Hyderabad. I'm in my third year right now.
Okay, welcome. Anyone else, please?
Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Myself, Ashfiya Ahmed. I'm from Hyderabad. Currently, I'm studying BA LLB from AMS College.
AMS College. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good evening, ma'am. Myself.
Good evening, ma'am.
Kritika. Yes, Kritika.
I'm studying in BLLB from the College of Women from AMS College. BLLB first year.
Welcome. So it's good to see that even students from first year they are keen to learn about mediation. So that's really very motivating for us also. We at the age of, I think we were 40 years when we came to know about what is mediation. So
Yes.
you people in your teens, rather, when you cross your teens, you want to know about mediation. So that's a wonderful thing. So we can then formally also start with this class.
Yes.
Okay.
We can start. You begin.
So we just have 65 students right now with us. Maybe more would be joining soon, or we can just put a point. See, students, we once again very welcome you to this classroom introductory session. We would be having our first inaugural day ceremony on 2nd of July at 6 p.m. and we'll share the web invite with you. You all are invited to join that. Even your parents can join. And thereafter, on every Saturday, we'll have classes, most likely from 6 to 7:30. It may be so that if any teacher speaker for any day has some inconvenience about time, we may have to prepone the time, but the class would remain on Saturday. It will not be shifted to any other day. Only your last class, which happens to be on 26th of September, will be on Sunday, which is a different topic again. And this will be followed by a certificate distribution ceremony on a very important day for our country, that is 2nd October, Mahatma Gandhi's Day. So we'll be holding a virtual ceremony, certificate distribution ceremony. And during our idea behind this mediation education is that since Bar Council of India has made it now a mandatory subject in your academic year. So we just wishing that since we are mediators for like decades, more than a decade now, and we are trainers also, mediation trainers, why can't we share our knowledge with you to make you learn as to the basic components and aspects of mediation? What is it and what is the importance of this concept and what contribution this concept can make in everyone's life? Because we can promise that once you leave this classroom, certainly you will have a change in your own behavior. There will be a personality development within yourself. Before you will help others, there will definitely be a master change in you, and your parents may also feel, yeah, kal to hi ladki thi, today she's saying, okay, let's resolve. There are different ways of resolving a dispute. So it's going to be a good exercise for you. And surely since we have created a WhatsApp group, we would love to have feedback from you every time there's this class. Any suggestions, you are always welcome to do that. And this is what I have to say. Just a small request from each one of you. Please try to your level best to keep yourself on camera during the class. If you have some problem with your system, try to get it corrected before second, because it is not that we are very keen to see you, but it's mark of a respect to your classmates also and to your teacher speaker also, that actually you are studying. See, we all know in last 1 year, even in our home, our kids, they have been attending classes, and we all know how you people attend online classes. Half the time your mama, papa comes and leave the meeting, you are somewhere else in the room. So we don't want this to be the similar exercise wherein you just log in for the sake of it. But actually, it's going to be beautiful class journey. So keep yourself awake, keep yourself motivated, keep yourself dedicated to attend each session. And in case there is any problem now, you are preoccupied or there's some personal commitment or there's something else, you can please leave a message to me or Mr. Thankanchan sir. He's again a senior member of our team. He will be talking about his views about this classroom with you shortly. But these are our fine requests to our children. You are going to be our family from today. And since we had students in the last series from 21 states, so we are happy to tell you that this time till date, we have received the registrations from 26 states in UP, which is itself a huge number. So you're going to have your new classmates, you can interact interstate like EMW, you know. Our EMW has coordinators from 35 states of our nation, UTs. Okay, similarly, this classroom will give you friends across to different states. Don't restrict yourself to just one state, make friends from other states, interact. It's going to be a long-time relationship from there. So not just we, but you have friends also. Make a small family of yours. You can make your separate group. You can chat. You can just be an EMW Generation Next Classroom Series second group. You can make another group and be a family together for all times to come. When you grow up, when you go as an advocate, it may be so that you travel to some other state and then you can say, oh, let me just talk to Ridhima. He's in Assam. He can make such arrangement for me. We will just go and just enjoy Assam, Kerala. So you have friends. This is what we are looking. And it's completely different from what classroom you have in your college. It's not a strict discipline, only fine request and minimum thing which we require is that please make the best effort to be there in every class. Keep your cameras on, and during the class, keep yourself muted. If you have any questions, the student moderator of the day, you'll have every time you'll have a student moderator. He or she will help you take up those queries to the teacher speaker of that day. And here also, every classroom, like we have 14 classrooms, we'll have one student moderator in every class. So maybe with times to come, I would be sending, me or sir would be sending a request to you separately if you would like to volunteer to be a student moderator for a particular class from your state, please send your willingness, because we would love to have you come forward and just be there on the screen. So please give your names if you want to volunteer to be a student moderator of a class on a particular day. We will have your picture also. We'll have the web invite ready in your name and you can assist. Lastly, only one addition I'll make. After this class, just try to send us your pictures during maybe today, tomorrow, because slowly we'll get a collage made for all of you to be put up in our magazine, which is released almost every month, E-Mediation Writings magazine, which is India's first magazine. You must have visited the website of our EMW team. So just share your pictures also. And when you're sharing a picture, do write your complete name, your introduction as to from which college, which year are you from, state, and your email ID. So that it's easy for us to just make a collage, and even in the end of our series, the certificates will have your photographs, your name, your detail, everything in your photographs. So let's commence that. Second, another important thing, during the period of this 3 months, we would also like to have, if any children, any student want to write any article vis-a-vis any topic which they have understood, they can please write an article which will be published again in E-Mediation Writings. Because last time if you go to the website, on 1st of March, we released a special student edition, wherein the articles were written by the students of the first class. So here also, we would love to have articles penned by you. There is no special expertise required, but whatever you have thought, whatever you have learned, whatever you want to scribble on mediation, just write. This is going to be your birth as an author also. So take this opportunity and be a part of this E-Mediation Writing. We are happy to welcome you sincerely. Thank you. Sir, over to you.
See, our Kusuma has already spoken in detail about our EMW program. And I would say you are lucky students, because this is a wonderful opportunity for you. And we have very good teachers from all over India. That is, eminent teachers are taking classes for you. So I would say that this mediation is not only as a profession, but also it will mold your life. Definitely, it will change towards your friends, towards your family, towards your outer world. Your totally will be changed. That is the benefit of mediation. So you will become a more good human being. That is what I can guarantee you. So please participate. Please participate in all the classes regularly. Maybe some classes we may not be able to attend, but as far as possible, you should participate in all the classes. And any questions that you can definitely you can get it clarified from our teachers. So I think it would be a wonderful experience for you. Last time we had about 70 students. This time more than 171 students are already registered. So it is a very good encouragement to all the EMW group. It's a great encouragement. So I don't want to say anything more. Please participate on the classes very keenly, and read the books relating to mediation, and write articles and send to EMW. Definitely we will publish it. So once again, I'm thankful to all of you for joining our with the EMW. So I hope it will be a very good experience for all of us. Thank you.
Since not just two of us are here from EMW, we have our very dear senior ma'am, Ms. Lata Prasad ma'am also. Ma'am, please just be on camera and please share your views also, since you're here for this meeting with us. You're part of this family.
Yeah. Thank you, Push Madam and Pankajan sir. Yes, good evening everybody. As has been already told to you by both Madam and Sir, this is one of the best series that could have ever happened to the students. In the last 1 year, the previous batch, I have also gone through like a student. I've sat through and believe me, even if though I'm much more senior in as a mediator in my own right here in Bangalore, I went through the classes as if I was a newcomer, and I felt, I was going through the same set of classes what I had taken initially. Now, this is going to help you a long way to do anything in ADR, because this is the basics that you all are going to start with. And I hope everything else has already been explained, and you all will go through that experience as you sit through all the classes. Yes, attentiveness, active listening should be there from the students if you want to really catch up and take the experience that they are providing you on here. Thank you.
Thank you, Lata ma'am. Thank you so much. So this is what all we have to share from our side. But we would love to hear from you if you have any queries, concern. Please, you're most welcome to share right now. Please, you're welcome. Anyone?
I have a query regarding the subject.
Please, Kritika.
In which year do we have this subject?
I think as per the Bar Council of India, they have not clearly written in that notification of August which they want, but preferably it will be either 4th or 5th year. But since they came out in the last year and they told the law colleges to include in the last academic sessions, but the colleges were not equipped with teachers who had training in mediation. So they could not implement in the last academic session, and maybe from this academic session in August, September, whenever it starts, they may introduce, they must be doing something. But certainly this training, this classroom will be beneficial for you because you'll be ahead of your classmates. You'll have the basic idea about mediation. And this is not going to be from the teachers of the college, but it will be from the master trainers who are a reputed name in India, and we'll be having international faculty also this time for some of these sessions. So just look forward for a brighter and a very nice time. Learning together always makes you glow and grow. So keeping our fingers crossed. Let's hope for the best. Anyone else, please?
Thank you.
And I think today, since we can see only 71, we'll put up on group there because we did receive many regrets from students that due to some other commitment, they're not able to join today. But still the number is very low for this today's meeting. And we students have to make a lot of efforts making the list, sending the web invites. So if anyone from your college, from your state who is in your touch have enrolled for this, please inform them to take the classes seriously, because if it's going to be like if 175 or 78 students have enrolled and like we've received the regrets from 10 or 15 students, so that's not a good spirit. So please try to reach out to them, and we will also write a message on group preferably today or tomorrow, that out of all these students, only this much students have attended the class. And another very good thing is that we have some students from Pakistan also. They have reached out to us to attend this class, their willingness. So it's going to be Aman ki Asha for this series. Earlier we had it from only India, but this time few students, they have sent us the request that they want to enroll. So we said we are most welcome. Mediation is beyond borders. So there are no, they are just bridges. There are no walls. So even if you feel like now that there are few friends of yours who wants to still come in for this, door is still open. We have not closed the responses, the form. They can still fill in. Our office is in process of compiling the final list by first evening, because it's starting on 2nd, so we can still accommodate more students. you
Ma'am,
can.
ma'am, what could be the process to join now in case any of our classmates would be interested to join in?
You can simply share that Google form with them. They can fill in.
Okay, sure, ma'am.
Yeah. You can share it with them. And, if you have any friends in any other state also, you can please let them know. And for every class, we would be inviting you a day before every class. Like if it is on Saturday, Friday we'll generate a fresh link for the classroom on Saturday. So every time you will be informed on Friday about Saturday class. Only thing is you have to mark your diaries for your Saturdays for EMW Gen X classroom series. You're going to be the part of this family forever. And we are blessed to have you. And similarly, I think with time, you will also feel happy to be part of this EMW family. Vidya ma'am, could you please now check your audio system? I hope it's corrected. Vidya Rani ma'am.
And our program will be inaugurated by 2 High Court judges, that is one from Kerala and other from Delhi.
Yeah, I think her system is has still some problem. Vidya ma'am is unable to be audible. So anyone else, please?
I think she has muted. She has not unmuted.
No, she did try it in between, but her voice was not reaching.
I see. Is it Vidya Rani? No.
Yes, sir. Vidya Rani AMS.
Yeah, but it is seen muted there. Yes. Hello. Oh, still not audible. Still not audible. You remove your headset and speak directly. You remove your headset and speak directly.
Now say hello.
Yes. No. Now you are audible. Now you are audible.
Oh. Thank you so much, ma'am, for bearing me. Actually, there was some problem with my headset, I think so. Thank you, sir. I am Vidya from AMS College. I'm in the 5th semester. I am looking forward for, happy and fruitful and a learning journey from this AMS classroom for a 3 months journey. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Thank you. That's really wonderful of you to please come forward. Great, sir. Something sir, if you can just take the screenshot of the attendance so that we know who all have attended the class today. The participants, unmute.
I can send you the reports. I have taken. I will be taking the report. I have taken the reports so that I will get all the names of the and how much time they attended the program. Everything I will get from the reports.
Yes. So do anybody has lawyers in their families, or they are the first generation lawyers in making? Anybody from legal background in this classroom? Vidya ma'am. Yes. Shreya.
Yes, ma'am.
Please unmute yourself. Please tell us about your family. How is your experience being part of a legal family? Yes.
Yes. I'm Shreya Jain and I am in final year. I'm in 3rd year basically, and I've done my graduation before from Delhi University before. Now I'm doing law from CCS University.
Okay.
Like my father, my grandfather are advocates. My grandfather was a district retired judge.
Okay.
He is in Supreme Court advocate.
Okay. And your father is in Delhi?
Yeah.
What's his name?
Mr. Ajay Jain.
Yes. So I was wanting you to please come up on screen and say, I was just feeling that being daughter of Ajay Jain, a very dear friend of mine, how can our daughter be allowed to be muted all through? So you're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anyone else want to come up, please? Vidya, who is lawyer? Who is the one lawyer in your family?
Ma'am, both my parents are from the judicial side, ma'am. My mother was working in AP High Court before it got bifurcated, and my father was working in City Civil Court. And now he is a retired district judge for Medchal.
So this time now you will see a transition, how an advocate becomes a mediator. It's a very difficult task, but certainly you will enjoy.
Certainly, ma'am, I will.
Yeah. Because in times to come, soon our country will have a mediation law. And you must have seen already there are many posts which are coming up that pre-litigation is going to be made mandatory in many number of cases and subjects. So there's a large scope for students who pass out from LLB to pursue a career as an advocate mediator or maybe as a conciliator. In pre-litigation mediation, we always address a person not as a mediator but a conciliator. So there's so much of scope. In community, you can render resident welfare societies, your own families, business organizations. So why allow a person to go to a court corridor when you have a system outside wherein baat karne se baat banti hai na? So it's basically what is mediation? It's a dialogue between two people who are ready to understand each other. Because in court, what is it? The parties do not speak, the lawyers speak. Parties are sitting on the back chairs. They hardly speak. But mediation is where parties talk themselves directly to each other. They talk in the presence of a mediator who allows them and who makes them understand each other's needs and interests. So this is the beauty. And hopefully in your family, you will also feel with your siblings, maybe with your partners, with your parents. You may try not to enter into conflict after this classroom series. You'll say, okay, Baba, छोड़ो ना, बैठ के बात करते हैं. मैं आपकी बात समझ रही हूँ या समझ रहा हूँ. Change आएगा आप लोग. आपके पेरेंट्स जरूर हमारे पास आएंगे और बोलेंगे, यार ये तो संत हो गए हमारे बच्चे. पहले तो बहुत लड़ते थे. Now they have become so nice. So this is what we are looking. So God bless you, our very beautiful, handsome, lovely children. All the best. Looking forward to meet you from 2nd, 6 p.m. would be the inauguration. And then Saturday, 6 p.m. the class begins, subject wise, topic wise. Okay. So we can say goodbye. With your permission, we'll take your permission now. We are not going to give you any dictation. So can we say goodbye?
No, ma'am.
Goodbye to all.
No,
Goodbye to
ma'am.
all.
आप लोगों ने इतने टाइम में हमारे से कनेक्ट बना लिया. देखो हमें भी लग रहा है कि नहीं छोड़ना. यही अच्छा लगता है. चलिए, but we again meet you. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.